a crest of appreciation to our guest of honor, Mr. Ajmalul Hossain, King's Counsel and Senior Advocate of Supreme Court of Bangladesh, and for that we call our Head of Chambers, Rahman.
As we have already seen that how persuasive and how good he can argue, there's no doubt about it. He has been convincing the court in many years, and we have seen him appearing before the court. There is no end of learning. I always take the opportunity to engage him as a senior counsel, and whenever the opportunity comes, because he's always in a complex matter, he's an excellent lawyer, no doubt about it, and an arbitrator. In many situations, if you see the look back the history of legal development, the growth development in Bangladesh, he is the torch bearer of many things. Number one, he is the torch bearer for arbitration. The very first arbitrator we know is actually Ajmalul Hossain, for sure. Not only that, he brought many concepts from England and argued before the honorable courts, and the honorable court accepted it. For example, he, the legitimate expectation is a concept which was known to us, was in the common law, but never been tried before in Bangladesh court. Nobody argued it before him, and he is the very first honorable senior who put it through, and it has been accepted by the honorable courts. And not only that, in one of our own case, before Honorable Justice Abdur sir was the judge, he's thankfully present amongst us. He was, he put forward an argument that any case involving ship finance should not be tried in author in other words. It should be tried before the Admiralty Court. And that is the argument, pressed by London Senior and accepted by Honorable A.F.M. Abdur, former Justice A.F.M. Abdur. This is a landmark leading decision, not yet been challenged and still exists. Other than that, he brought the concepts of, minority protection, for the companies where the small minorities are fighting. He has got a number of leading cases involving minority protection and letter of credit. With all the disputes involving letter of credit, he has a number of leading judgments. And we already hear from our colleagues that his contribution about fundamental rights and bringing amendment in constitutional law, none of them he has done for his publicity. He has a client who he need to fight for him, and he brought, if he needed, he also took the risk of challenging the constitution itself, and many times he has been successful. Ladies and gentlemen, could you put your hands together for this, for him, and we are honored to honor him for outstanding service, and his contribution within the legal system. I would request Abdur, former Justice Abdur sir, to come to the stage to hand over the award, and also, if I may, our junior, sir, very favorite junior, and Ms. Rahman, Barrister Ms. Rahman, Advocate Supreme Court, and come forward. And
without having any transformation in the physics,
the Deputy
one
Attorney
QC has
General,
become
Mr.
case. That's Mr. Ajmalul Hossain. Thank you. Yes, this is for you. So I'm happy to hand it over to you as a. Yes, this is the crest. That has been Mr. Ajmalul Hossain. Speak to crest. Sure.